If you're a regular Linux user and someone came to you and say, hey, how can I find the biggest file or files per type, per extension, like a picture or spreadsheet or any kind of type and extension? Do you know how to achieve that? Is that something simple in your mind? If you are thinking or still thinking, this video is for you. This is a video that is part of a series called How To, and the main goal here is to provide quick answers to questions that we do have in our daily basis. So let's jump to the terminal. Okay, we are here in this folder, Home Sally, and this user is looking for some help because she's looking for to get the biggest files that she has, but it is not too simple. Let's take a look why. We can see some different files, like there is one folder. This was from afternoon, that specific date, and then we can see 12, 13, 19, 20, and in the morning, like same date, but 7, 9, 10, and some of them are JPEG photo, and some of them are videos. So, okay, how can I easily get the response? Like, okay, those are your top 5 or top 20 files, biggest files per extension. So, let's figure this out together. Let me put this one and then we can drill down this command. It is not harder as it seems. It's pretty simple. So we are using find. If you're not familiar with find, man find, and then you can see how amazing this tool is. I'm looking for in my current folder. So I would like to search anything below this folder. I'm passing -iname, and what is iname? I knew about name, but iname is case insensitive. So if I'm looking for JPEG in uppercase, lowercase, J in uppercase, and P in lowercase, doesn't matter. Iname is gonna cover all the situations. So I'm looking for files. I'm passing double quotes because I would like to get anything, any name, with the extension of JPEG or JPG. Okay, up to here, we are good. This is finding all the files, JPEG files. And then look this beauty. What this is gonna do is, hey, once I find a file, what can I do? So let's exec or execute some stuff. Let's do some stuff here. I would like to do a du-ks, exactly that, my friend, to get the size in kilobytes of the information that is coming from those braces. And what represent those braces? All the files that find. Pretty cool, huh? And then after that, we need this backslash and semicolon. I'm getting this output, and then I'm passing this to sort. So check this out. Sort is gonna sort something. -nr. N for numeric and R for reverse. So I would like to see the highest numbers on the top. And then I'll get this output, and look this beauty. I'm filtering for the first 15 entries. So is that gonna work? I'm pretty confident. Let's take a look. How beauty, huh? Check this out. We have 15 entries here. We can see that some folders are morning, some folders are afternoon. The folder here is not the question. The point is the size. This is in kilobytes, which means the average here is 5.2 megabytes. So 5256, 5228, 5176, 4768. So we can see that this is working. This is giving us the information that we are looking for. The biggest 15 files per extension. Totally deserves your subscription, huh? Okay, is this gonna work with any subscription at all? Are you sure? Let's give it a try. I know that we do have some MP4 in this folder. So check this out. Okay, I'm filtering by 15, but in this folder, we do have only 3 files. Because of that, we have only 3 outputs here. We can see that the first one is in the morning. All the rest are in the afternoon. But again, the organization here is because of the file size. So this is 24 megabytes, 21 megabytes, and 14 megabytes. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, this is amazing. Like different ways to achieve the same goal, the same result. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any other way to find this kind of response or results. If this content is helping you somehow, feel free to subscribe in this channel. Definitely this is gonna help me and will push me to keep creating content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.